Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do another episode of SCOTDs, or what we call sign carvers of the day. Now, if you're brand new and you don't know what that is, that's where you guys send us pictures of projects that you've made and we get to show them off for you. We've got 20 of them here, and this goes from March 15th through April 2nd, and that's 2023. If you guys sent me pictures within that time frame, it should be on this episode. If not, maybe just slightly after or before. This is a great group. I really like what we've got here, so let's just dive right into it. We have Ken Winkle. He put a quote on this sign. I love the beer mugs on there, and this is in German, and this means a good drink makes the old young, which is a pretty good saying. Anyway, when Ken was in the Army back in the 70s, he was in Germany and he sent home a beer stein to his dad for Christmas. And when his father passed away, he got the beer stein, and this saying is on that beer stein, which I thought was really cool. So great job, Ken. I love it. I think it's really, really cool. Next, we have Dick Mason. And Dick, on this one, Dick is mixing Lichtenberg burning and routing on this sign, and it looks like he stained it as well. Came out really, really nice. It's got some really cool fractal burning in there, as well as some stain and painting the cardinal there. Great job, Dick. This one is Gary Zelder. Gary, another great looking sign, obviously for a pizza place, and I've never seen a carved pizza before. Great job, man. I think it came out great. That's really a neat idea. Love it. Next, we have Michelle Scarantino. Got a beautiful piece of walnut here. Used the profile bit for the letters, a round over with a step, and then an angle grinder to give that rustic edge. And I just think it looks terrific. I've never seen a round over with a step added with the rustic edge with the angle grinder. Great job, Michelle. I love it. Looks terrific. Next, we have Bob Martinez. This is his third sign. This is a 24-inch repurposed oak tabletop, and he carved an image of his son. Putting on a green, on the 18th green. I think it looks terrific. Great job, Bob. Next, we have one of our favorites, Rowdy. This is his first sign. He's in the Bear Den Scout, so he took our little bear template and made a sign on a little box. So a great picture of Rowdy. We got a chance to meet him when we were in North Carolina last year, and what a terrific young man he is. Just love meeting him and hanging out with him. Next, we have Shane Northridge, 15 by 21, and he made this out of hardwood plywood, and he inlaid resin and acrylic paint. As always, Shane, just spectacular. Looks really, really terrific. I'm not sure what it's for, but man, it sure looks cool. Great job. Next, we have Glenn Terry. So he's been following us and making signs for several years now, and he makes benches for all his grandkids, which I think is just terrific. Great job on this. Great little bench, and a neat way to personalize them. Great job, Glenn. Next, we have Kim Oceanbine. And Kim, this one kind of speaks for itself. Kim, you did terrific here. I like the single line outset letters and painting those letters red. I think it looks terrific. Great job. Great Easter sign. Guy Fagerman, stockpiling some signs for upcoming summer craft shows. So he's got some really good array of different signs that he's done from our stencils and different things, different templates. Looks great, Guy. Hope you do well, buddy. Next, we have Lou Proton Tennis. So Lou made this for a friend of his that is a big reader, and I just think it looks terrific. My bookshelf. I think that is really a cool design. Love it. Great job, Lou. Next, we have Jerry Fort, and this was donated for a benefit auction for a man that has cancer and to help with medical expenses. So this is really neat. I love the eagle on one side and the Betsy Ross flag on the other side, We the People. I think it looks terrific. It looks like it's redwood, but it's kind of hard to tell from the picture. But a terrific job, Jerry. So this one, this one is by Bob up in Canada. Bowner, I think he pronounces his name Bowner. So I guess we'll just leave it at that. But he did a great job on this. That's our fatty font. Looks terrific. I love the little maple leaf. Terrific job. And this is his first completed and finished sign. Terrific job, Bob. I imagine it might be popular where you're from. Next we have Matt Turner, and this is for his wife's birthday. 40 and fabulous. I love it. Great way to score points. Terrific job. Looks like it was done on a piece of hardwood too, live edge hardwood. Not that easy to carve. Great job, man. So this one is from Floyd Hair. Now this one, he did this for a lady that is an author, and she wanted a sign to put at booths when she is at craft markets and selling her products and her books. So this was 3/4 inch, 2x4 pieces of maple plywood. All the bigger letters and butterflies were carved with 60-degree bit, and the smaller letters and butterflies used the profile bit. So I think it looks terrific. The Sold Here sign is made out of 1x6 and the letters are 3-inch Clarendon. He had over 10 hours of hand painting in this sign. Wow, yeah, great job, Floyd. Next we have DJ Hickey. DJ's made many signs, all for gifts and donations, but these are his first ones that he actually got paid for. Those look terrific. A great job with the NASCAR fans. Think those could be really popular. Great job, DJ. Congratulations on your sales, buddy. Luke Garrick, 4x8 CBX plywood donated to American Legion Hall. Terrific job. Just spectacular job, man. Luke, you make really, really cool looking signs, and a great looking young lady you got there. I imagine that's your daughter. She's doing her little Vanna White thing. I love it. Great job, Luke. Keep it up, buddy. Next we have Kyle Watkins. So it says O.P. Taylor on it. Kyle's best friend's dog passed away, and Kyle made this for him. Those of you youngins won't know who O.P. Taylor is, but it's from Ryan. Do you know who O.P. Taylor is? Oh, O.P. All right, so that's Andy's good. Boy. Yeah, that's Andy's boy. So what's his name? What's the name of the actor? Ron Howard. Ron Howard. Very good. I'm impressed. Anyway, sorry, we digress. All right, next we have Parley Kennelly. Carved this cedar fence pickets. I love this sign and the way he put these pickets together. I don't know if he laminated a couple pickets together, but Parley, dude, I really love this sign. You did a great job on it. I love the freeform shape, and I love the background, putting it on stickers behind slabs, or in front of slabs, actually. I love that background. Great job, Parley. Love it. Next we have Judith Birch, second sign. And this is pine using the 60 and the 90 and walnut stain. Very, very popular. Great job, Judith. This is 5 3/4 by 37.5 inches. All right, there you go, boys and girls. That is Sign Carvers of the Day. So we do these every few weeks. If you guys have projects you want to send and have us show them off for you, absolutely. Email them to me, Eric at makeawoodsign.com. I'll add them to the list. And again, the only caveat is I can only add one per month per person. So if you send me one, wait 30 days and send me another one. Anyway, great job. Great group of Sign Carvers of the Day. If you guys are watching and you haven't subscribed yet, we'd love for you to subscribe. Please click that little bell icon. Again, we've got lots of great stuff coming up. Thanks so much for all of your support. We love and appreciate you guys. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.